Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but I'm fairly certain that it is a response to my recent community post about knives for review. So thank you to everybody who has sent stuff in. We'll find out together what's in here. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. Your support means the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, I don't know that it's going to take too much. It doesn't look like there's tape on this side, so we'll just make a couple cuts and open it up here. What do we have? Alright, we have a Kizer, or at least a Kizer box. This is a sealed bubble pouch. Alrighty, what do we have here? Let's open this up real quick and take a look. Ooh, I just saw the profile. I know what this is. Yeah, there it is. The new Kizer Sheepdog Vanguard series in MICARTA. Let me bring this exposure up just a little bit. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is the right size of sheepdog. I've handled the little one and the XL. This is the first time that I've ever handled, sorry, I'm going to bring the exposure up just a little bit more. The first time I've ever handled the medium one. This is awesome. CTS BD1N is the steel. Very nice coating on here, and the micarta, the contoured micarta feels excellent. This is definitely the coolest version of this knife. Right? The little one is cool. The big one's cool. This one is the one that I would actually use and carry, just given that the medium size. I mean, this is totally reasonable for EDC. And on top of that, I think the micarta suits this thing better. We've got contoured micarta scales on this guy. I think this is probably my favorite knife from Kizer right now, and this was a smart move bringing the micarta scales to it. There's a bunch of different, I hope these are available by the time you guys are watching this. They come in a bunch of different forms. They've got coated blades, non-coated blades, different colors of micarta. Really, really cool. Can't wait to take a look at this. I've already reviewed, like I said, I've reviewed the large and small one. I've never reviewed the medium one, so this will actually be its own review. That's pretty cool. I will link this guy right down in the description so you can pick it up, as well as Kizer knives in general, so you can check out what else they've got going on. But I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Is there a note in here? I'm looking, no. Well, Tim, thank you so much for sending this. Really appreciate that. As usual, you know, this channel is 100% community built, meaning, you know, the content comes from the people who watch it. They send stuff in and I review it. So thank you so much for doing that. That's really, really cool. Very excited about this. But yeah, guys, I mean, this was just short and sweet. I think that's pretty much it today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, metal_complex. Like I said, this guy will be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.